Hello everyone and welcome to Drivenmad.
Hello.
Well, I'll start this one, shall I? I think
Go on then.
Turn.
Now behind us you can see that we've got our pre-facelift Fiat 500 Abarth. Now we're going to be facelifting the rear lights today with these lovely LEDs. Now I'm voiceovering this bit because Dad was crinkling all down the microphone with the bubble wrap.
We've got these bad
I'm handing
boys.
them over, am I?
I'm going in close. You can see here, look, we've got these lovely facelift LED lights. So these are what the next model have, newer than mine. And the reason I've got these is obviously to make it look a bit more modern, and they're smoked a bit so they look super sexy. Now I got these from a man on Facebook. I'll try and link him down below if I remember. Fabio Abarth.
Tell him Drivenmad sent you.
And you can see here, the reason we needed to get it from him, he specialises in Abarths and Fiat 500s by the way, is because this is an older car and sometimes LED lights can sort of flick up codes and
Yeah, I think because it doesn't make a significant draw on the bulb, it thinks the bulb's gone.
Yes. So Fabio puts in the correct resistors and the correct plugs.
He does the bit past our pay grade.
He does the hard bit, we do the easy bit, which is the two bolts that basically fits it. So we'll move you in closer and crack on. Okay, so there's only two bolts, it's fairly simple. So it's just two size 10 bolts here. You can use a Phillips screwdriver, but I recommend using a proper socket so you don't round them off.
I'll do all the hard work.
Oh yeah, to my trusty assistant. And there's two sort of push-in clips here, so take it out straight. Obviously be careful not to damage your paintwork. Okay, so I'm going to use a plastic pry tool just to protect the paint so I don't pull it sideways. We want to try and bring it out straight if we can. And that should just go round, being very careful. There's the top clip, and the bottom one should be just as easy. There we are. And out comes the old light. Oh, it's going to need a nice clean behind here, isn't it? Okay, so there's a little clip here, which I'm going to use a plastic pry tool to lift up and try and pull at the same time. Now being careful, obviously, not to pull on the wires. You see that little clip there just pops over, and that's the light out there.
Glamorous assistant.
Pass that over. Right, before we put it on, we've decided to just cable tie the relay sort of up here. The resistor or relay, whatever it's called, up there, and get the cables managed nicely so they don't flap about and get sort of, because that doesn't look very strong to us. As you can see there, that just doesn't look like it would be any good flapping about. So now we've just got the main plug to pop in, so we'll do that. There we are. Nice. And then, I suppose that can tuck in behind it like so. Go in. There we are, like that.
Oh, that makes it look it does make it look much more aggressive.
God, it does, doesn't it?
More than I expected.
I'm super happy with those. Let's get that other one on. Right, now with this light it's exactly the same procedure. Two bolts, so I'll speed it up and you'll see it once it's in. Now whilst Dad's cleaning, I thought I'd show you, this one doesn't have the resistor or relay on it, so it's just a plug, so this one's a bit more easy. We're going to cable tie this one. Right, let's see if they work.
Shall I do the honours so you get first look?
Right then, flick them on. Yeah. Yeah. Yep. Yep. Yep.
Oh, nice.
They're nice.
Oh, they look nice.
Yeah. Oh, blimey. They make a massive difference.
Are you pleased? This is the only thing that matters in life. Are you pleased?
Better than I expected.
Really?
Yeah, I love them. They look really mean, and being slightly tinted makes a huge difference as well. I'm just going to do a little. Hang on.
Oh. Oh.
unlock. They're lovely indicators. They're really.
I have to say, it's completely. We've got a T-cross, and it worries me slightly that the indicator and the brake lights are so small that it worries me someone's going to drive in the back. So when the sun's on it, you can't see it. But I think these are really good.
They're really nice, really good lights.
Got no problems with those. That's very bright.
Yep, and the brake light going all the way around is really cool. I do like.
They're much sexier than I expected.
Yes, no, me too.
Being an old man.
Brilliant upgrade. So if you want to facelift your car, click the link in description and have a look at Fabio Bath, because he certainly knows his stuff a lot more than we do, and wow, what a difference.
Yeah, no, really good, really good.
First mod, so the next one will probably be the headlights or the daytime running lights. So
or both.
Or both, we'll have to wait and see. Thank you guys for watching.
And tell us what you think of it. I think it looks great.
One day I'll change all of my wicked ways, and happiness will start to make sense. Happiness will start to make